Welcome to Revisify. Ready to transform your metalworking game? You're in the right spot. Today, we're delving into the realm of cutting-edge technology, unveiling the best plasma cutters on the market. Whether you're crafting intricate designs or tackling heavy-duty projects, we've got you covered. Get ready to spark excitement and slice through the options to discover the perfect plasma cutter for your needs. Stay tuned for the ultimate metal cutting experience. Number 1. LOTOS LTP5000D 50 amp non-touch plasma cutter. LOTOS has consistently been driving down the cost of entry into the realm of plasma cutting, and the LTP5000D model upholds this trend. Boasting 50 amps of power and a 60% duty cycle, this cutter offers an appealing price point, featuring a no-touch pilot arc starting mechanism. It excels at cutting up to 5/8-inch stainless steel plates, remarkably lightweight at just 26 pounds. The LOTOS LTP5000D comes with a 1-year warranty, equipped with both 120 and 240 dual-voltage input options. This machine incorporates a PAPST cooling system based on advanced German technology. Its high-pressure cutting air is supplied by an external compressor, though some users express concerns about the seemingly inexpensive construction of the ground clamp and ground cable. For swift setup, the LTP5000D is designed with a compressed air quick connector for the air compressor. LOTOS claims that the machine can be operational in less than 1 minute. While there are occasional critiques about the build quality of certain components, many users appreciate LOTOS' responsive warranty service, which offers prompt replacements and free shipping for returns. Pros: non-touch pilot arc, cuts 5/8-inch mild steel plate, includes a pressure regulator, duty cycle 60% at 50 amps. Cons: doesn't include the connector for 120 input voltage. Number 2. LOTOS LT5000D 50A air inverter plasma cutter. The LOTOS LT5000D emerges as the younger counterpart to the LOTOS LTP5000D, presenting itself as a user-friendly plasma cutter that comes complete with all the essentials to kickstart your cutting endeavors. Excluding the air compressor, which is not integrated, despite a desire for a slightly lengthier power cord, it doesn't impact the cutter's overall performance. A notable attribute of the LT5000D is its easily readable front panel and air pressure gauge. What sets it apart in terms of usability is the automatic dual voltage and dual frequency functionalities. This feature seamlessly enables usage both at home and in your workshop, effortlessly switching between voltages without requiring manual adjustments. In terms of performance, the LT5000D stands out as one of the most precise and high-speed plasma cutters available. Leveraging high-frequency inverter technology, it achieves optimal efficiency and swift cutting performance. The inclusion of LOTOS's pulse width modulation (PWM) technology further enhances the cutting experience, providing 30% more efficiency for a consistently precise outcome. Before you know it, you'll be incorporating this plasma cutter into your arsenal alongside your trusty grease gun. Number 3. AMECO Cut 50 Professional Plasma Cutter. The AMECO Cut 50 packs a punch with its 50 amp power output, providing ample capability to effortlessly cut through a range of metal thicknesses. This robust power, combined with advanced power inverter functionality, empowers the cutter to slice through metal and stainless steel pieces up to 1 inch thick. The inverter not only enhances cutting prowess but also boosts overall efficiency, allowing extended cutting sessions without power loss. Designed with portability in mind, the AMECO Cut 50 features 2 wide and comfortable handles on each side, making it easy to transport. The impact-resistant housing ensures durability, safeguarding the cutter from potential damage caused by drops or bumps. User-friendliness is accentuated by a bright and easily readable digital display, adding a touch of style to your tool collection. Versatile in application, the AMECO plasma cutter accommodates both light and heavy-duty usage. Thanks to its 1-inch cutting thickness, digitally controlled amperage, and advanced inverter functionality, the combination of durability and portability, marked by the impact-resistant design and ergonomic handles, makes the AMECO Cut 50 a reliable choice for various cutting tasks. Pros: handles up to 1-inch thickness, bright digital display. Cons: no pilot arc, not great for delicate projects. Number 4. YESWELDER Cut 55DS 55 amp plasma cutter. The YESWELDER Cut 55DS stands out as a high-frequency, non-touch plasma cutter, ideal for precision and accurate cutting with minimal or no slag. Renowned for its non-touch torch arc plasma technology, This cutter excels in delivering quality cuts akin to slicing through butter with a hot knife, ensuring optimal consumable life. The utilization of non-touch pilot arc technology sets this plasma cutter apart by cutting through metal without making direct contact with the metal surface. The high-quality plasma arc leaves behind minimal or no slag, contributing to a clean, non-hazardous, and straightforward cutting process. The cutter's optimized design minimizes the need for extensive maintenance and cleaning, offering a hassle-free cutting experience. With a focus on versatility, the YESWELDER plasma cutter provides high power output for thicker metals and a consistent power output for thinner metals, leveraging MOSFET and IGBT transistors. Operating as a high-frequency DC plasma cutter, it swiftly and effectively cuts through metal, minimizing distortion for a cleaner end result. Pros: non-touch pilot arc, precise and accurate cutting, clean surface, non-hazardous gas, lightweight and portable. Cons: no clear instructions on the manual. Number 5. PRIMEWELD Cut 60 Non-Touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. The PRIMEWELD Cut 60 plasma cutter stands out as a formidable machine, boasting the capability to cut through up to 7/8-inch steel in a single pass. What sets this plasma cutter apart is its dual power functionality, effortlessly transitioning between 120 volts and 240 volts. Remarkably lightweight at only 21 pounds, it defies the norm for a cutter with such power. Operating at 120 volts, the PRIMEWELD Cut 60 puts out 30 amps, sufficient for 3/8-inch steel. A distinctive feature of this plasma cutter is its high-frequency no-touch arc starting, which often poses issues with digital electronics on computer-controlled plasma cutter tables. However, the PRIMEWELD Cut 60 addresses this concern by offering computer controllability through a blowback torch. The continuous pilot arc system employed by the PRIMEWELD Cut 60 allows for versatile cutting, enabling the handling of expanded metal, grating, and even cutting over air gaps. This makes it highly effective on various surfaces, including rusty, painted, or dirty metal. Users particularly appreciate the generous 20-foot torch lead, adding to the overall convenience and flexibility of this powerful plasma cutter. Pros: blowback no-touch arc start, includes pressure regulator, front panel air gauge, great customer service. Cons: some complaints of air leaks.